Sendspark makes it easy to send dynamically personalized videos in ConvertKit. So you can just take one video, embed it in your email, and then every subscriber is going to see their own name or contact property on the video. So for example, this is for Brandon and it says, hey, Brandon, check this out. But if we were to preview it as a different subscriber, like let's try Selena, then she's going to see her own name on the video thumbnail. This is super easy to do. All you need to do to set this up is record or upload your video in Sendspark. And once the video is in Sendspark, you're going to see it on this landed page, this branded landing page, which you should know you can customize. So just click Set Brand Styles the first time you sign up and make sure that the videos have your logo, your brand colors, to really present a nice image of yourself and your company. And then from here, there's a couple places where you can add that dynamic personalization. The one you're seeing in this example on the video caption, you can get to by clicking share video, and then over the caption, click customize, or over the video thumbnail, click customize. And then from here, you can edit this text overlay and add the personalization tokens here. So just click the one you want to be able to add it to the caption. And this is what goes in the email. You can also edit the landing page, which is what is like above or below the video that people might see when they watch the video. So for example, you could say, hi, first name up on top of the video. You could say, let's get company name, rolling with Sendspark. And let me fix this. And then you can also add a call to action, and you could even add this here if you want, but we could just say, sign up free, and then add a link to where someone can take the next step in your buyer journey. This could also be like a calendar link if you want people to book meetings, just whatever you want the next step in the process to be. So once this is set, you're ready to go. Click on share video, and now you can click this option for ConvertKit. And this is going to copy the dynamic code for ConvertKit to your clipboard. If you don't see ConvertKit here, no worries. Just click Edit Add, and now you'll see all of our integrations, so you can scroll through ConvertKit's right at the top, and just make sure that you have a blue check mark here so you see it on your middle. So you're just clicking this, and then you go back to ConvertKit, and I'm going to undo what I did here. So let's close this preview and go back to editing this email. So here, I'm just going to delete what's already there, so we're starting fresh. But all you want to do now is like delete this, and then in the content area, just Command V, Control V, paste, and your video is going to go in. Until you add the subscriber information, you're just going to see the fallback, which in this case is hey there, that you can also customize that in Sendspark. But this is it. You're all ready to send. If you want to test it out yourself, just do continue and then preview, and then you can preview as different contacts. Which is what I was doing at the beginning of the video. So that way you can make sure that the different contacts in your system are going to see the videos personalized for them. But that's it. Enjoy, happy recording, and I hope this helps you connect at scale with your subscribers. Thanks.